Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you yet another new iteration of the Intrinsic Tender brand.
Clearly got too much time on their hands. They're expanding into all sorts of different products at the moment.
They're doing well. So this is actually a completely new line for the guys over at Intrinsic Tender. So this is a platinum bar. So we can actually say we've got a locally produced platinum bar, because we've never been able to say that before.
No, well, because that's kind of been one of the problems is a lot of the, I'd say the more local, stuff we get out of Perth, they do their coins and things like that, which are great, but typically have higher premium. And some of the bars and things we're able to get a hold of were often from overseas or whatever, and we were paying higher premiums for those, even though they were just bars. So this I actually haven't had a look at the pricing yet, but I'm hoping will fit into a very nice kind of gap in the middle there.
It will. So these will be slightly cheaper than the Perth Mint Kangaroo.
Yep, awesome.
So, which is exactly what we were hoping for when we talked to them about it. So as you can see, it's a minted bar. You don't do cast platinum, it's too hard to work with. So minted bar, again, that constant stream of metal goes through and it's just punched out of a strip of it.
Yep.
And you can see on the other side, the XPT there. So PT being platinum. And that beautiful mirrored finish, frosted finish. I'll get it right in a minute.
It's a nice little individual packet as well.
Yeah, so it's not, I was going to say ziplocked, it's not ziplocked, it's vacuum sealed if you like.
Nice.
So very swish. So Bullion Now has those in stock right now. Locally produced product, and like I said, locally produced platinum, very hard to get hold of at that cheaper price. So grab them while they're in stock.